Logos are essential components of any marketing strategy, allowing business owners to promote their brand on marketing materials, websites, and items such as t-shirts. However, designing a logo yourself or hiring a design expert might be challenging. DesignEvo is a custom logo designing tool that helps individuals and professionals generate logos using category-specific templates. Create accounts, create or edit logos, and store them in a cloud-based repository. With a vast library of templates, icons, and fonts, DesignEvo allows users to craft unique logos customized to their brand's needs without the need for advanced graphic design skills. DesignEvo also offers an AI-powered logo generator that provides a huge bunch of popular logo templates that can be customized to fill your needs. With DesignEvo, designers can adjust font elements, graphic effects, or add transparent, gradient, or solid color backgrounds according to their preference, and can also download the logos in various formats. DesignEvo offers built-in logo font options, which users can select to implement various styles and fonts across designs. DesignEvo's web-based model eliminates the need to download or purchase an app. Instead, you can create an account with DesignEvo and then begin designing your logo from the over 10,000 professionally created templates. Each template is fully customizable, so you can swap features like typeface, images, colors, or logo type out easily. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this DesignEvo review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on DesignEvo. What does DesignEvo really do? DesignEvo is a custom web-based logo creator that allows freelance professionals, small business owners, and startups looking to have their own logo, but without having to pay high fees to professional graphic designers. DesignEvo is an easy-to-use logo maker with thousands of template options. You can experiment with several font styles and icons to determine which one works best for creating the desired visual aesthetic and appeal. With DesignEvo, you can fully edit and tweak each design you make, giving you endless possibilities for your project. In addition, the logo is in high-resolution files, making it ideal for print or digital use without becoming pixelated at bigger sizes. DesignEvo allows individuals and professionals to create custom logos using predefined templates. It includes a logo editor, which enables users to create and edit logos on a unified dashboard and save updates in a cloud account. DesignEvo helps you unleash your creativity with its user-friendly tools and bring your unique logo design to life in minutes. It is so easy to use that those who do not have design skills and expertise can create personalized and professional corporate logos in minutes. DesignEvo is an excellent choice for companies looking to produce a logo with minimal design input. It provides a variety of tools to assist users in creating distinctive and professional logos. However, free logos are low resolution and must be promoted on social media before downloading. Usage rights are only available on the Plus plan. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited downloads on all plans. Benefits and key features of DesignEvo. Some of the benefits and unique features of DesignEvo includes 1. Fast and easy to use. With DesignEvo, you don't need any designing skills or any prior experience to use it. It is a drag-and-drop designing tool with no complex functionalities. 2. Extensive collection of logo templates. DesignEvo offers you an impressive selection of nicely designed logo templates, covering various categories such as technology, nature, business, education, food, art, fashion, and much more. In addition, you can easily search for logo templates by inputting the keywords in the search box. 3. Build your brand. DesignEvo helps you create top-quality logos to build your brand identity. The multiple file formats you get from the logo creator make it easier for you to create brand assets. 4. Logo customization tools. DesignEvo includes advanced customization tools that allow users to tweak colors, layouts, and backgrounds, providing full control over the final look of the logo. Also, all the icons and fonts are customizable, which gives you full freedom to build a perfect logo to match your specific needs. 5. High-quality design output. DesignEvo offers high-resolution logo files in various formats, ensuring that your logo looks sharp and professional both online and in print. Additionally, DesignEvo provides print-ready vector files in SVG or PDF formats. 6. Unlimited changes and full ownership. Users who purchase a subscription on DesignEvo can make unlimited changes to their logo and have full ownership and copyright of all designs. DesignEvo's pricing and plans. DesignEvo offers a pricing model based on a one-time contract. The free trial option allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The paid plans include the Basic and Plus plans. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited design templates on all plans. Pros: professionally designed logo templates in different categories and across various industries. A wide range of icons and fonts that allow for complete customization. Users can start from a blank canvas. Adjust font size, color, spacing, alignment, uppercase, opacity, curved effect, and more to create unique typography artwork. Users can choose to create their logos for various mediums, including apps, packaging, business cards, and more. Customizable background with a preset solid color or add custom color to use. Share your logo via email, message, or other favorite social media apps. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: the free trial option comes with limited features. Conclusion: DesignEvo is an easy-to-use online logo maker that allows individuals and businesses of all levels to create stunning logos without shelling a significant amount of money from their pocket. With its extensive customizable logo templates, variety of fonts, lots of graphics, and powerful editing tools, you can turn your ideas into a compelling and unique logo in minutes, even if you have no professional design skills. DesignEvo provides a simple solution to suit all of your logo design needs. It supplies you with millions of professionally designed icons. With its drag-and-drop interface, you can effortlessly choose and integrate an icon from its extensive collection into your logo. The site and tools are exceptionally smooth and simple, making creating your brand's identity a pleasurable experience. If you choose not to use templates, you can create your own logo from scratch utilizing the site's vast elements and text options. DesignEvo can help you spark your inner creativity and develop a stunning logo for your website, social media, company wall, email signature, letterhead, business card, stationery, or t-shirt. It suits everyone from newbies to design experts. DesignEvo is an excellent solution for quick logo design and a must-have for any business, freelancer, or creator. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with DesignEvo. If you enjoyed this DesignEvo review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.